So the way I measure bone height is I measure the crest of the ridge where the tooth is going to emerge from. So the site of the implant where the crest of the ridge is, where the bone level is, right? So that's my first distance. And the second distance is going to be the anatomical limitation of that. So at the posterior maxilla, I'm going to start my measurement at the crest of the ridge, and I'm going to measure all the way up to the floor of the sinus. Then in the anterior maxilla, I'm going to measure at the crest of the ridge all the way up to the nasal floor. Right, so that's going to be how much height. Now in the mandible, in the posterior, we're going to start at the crest of the ridge. We're always starting at the crest of the ridge, right? And we're going to measure all the way down to where the superior border of the inferior alveolar nerve canal is. And now in the anterior mandible, sometimes it could be a little bit dangerous. So even though you have a lot of height there and you don't have a traditional limitation, you do want to evaluate that site radiographically to make sure you're not going to drill into anything that's going to get you into trouble and cause you like an uncontrolled bleed.